Okay, how to use a washing machine for a teenager. This is a washing machine. Okay? These are detergents. You've got the detergent, the conditioner, and the strong stain remover. Fairy for your soft skin. This is a drawer. In that drawer goes the detergent. About that much. Middle drawer, conditioner. It's very easy. It's just one capful. That drawer, I don't know what it's for. What's the point there? Okay. The vanish for strong stains is one scoop. Goes in the drum. That's called a drum. Then put the clothes in, lock it, turn it to 40 for dark washes, 60 for white washes. If you're not quite sure and it's a mixed wash, 40. Button is flashing, says start. Press start. Then the program will flow, get to the end where it'll flash and go beep, 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 beep. Open door, take out clothes and hang up.
Cool.